Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to enable horizontal. Flick on Berry Browser, guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Berry Browser. Then you can see many options on this page. Click on three dots at top at down right corner. Then you can see their settings option. Click on it. Then click on action option. You can see their horizontal flick option on this option. Finally, guys, in this way, you can easily enable horizontal flick on Berry Browser.